Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John Marvin Lizo Martin, and this is my self-reflection on how I see myself as a CS professional. So, simulan natin sa kung paano nagsimula bilang isang BSCS student. Actually, it was parents' choice kasi I'm really into cooking. Pero nung nalaman ko na hindi lang pala puro coding and pagpo-program yung nasa PSCS, which is meron din palang mga designing like yung mga wireframe, UI UX designs, SketchUp, which SketchUp is an app na parang kang magiging architect, ganun. Like nakaka-enjoy siya, different kinds of shapes, ganun. Pag-design ng house, buildings. Nakaka-enjoy siya, guys. So, kung sasabihin nyo na yung CS is puro coding and programs lang, nagkakamali kayo, guys. Nakaka-enjoy din siya sa ibang parts. And sana maengganyo ko din kayo or mahawaan ko din kayo, like nagustuhin din yung course na to kasi hindi lang siya more on programs, nakaka-enjoy din siya in your own ways. And sana mahanap niyo yung enjoyment na yan para magtuloy-tuloy hanggang sa makagraduate kayo ng course na to, and hopefully maging game developer kayo or front-end developer, ganun, full stack, back-end, mga ganun. So, yun lang guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Peace out.